For my life. Play with Mr. G. He is a laugh. Who name Mr. G? I don't know who name Mr. G. Guys, 10,000 tap in there, guys. 10,000 tap in. Ask which marking. Let me tell you this, bro. Brother, why now always a carrot marking name to me thing, dog? My you enough respect me thing in a dog. Me a respect every man pan the apps in a dog. You know how much people me educate and teach at daytime, bro? You know how much people come to me for advice and them thing, bro? Financial advice and whatsoever advice. Oh, alright, guys, who have it for semi rich? Who have it for semi rich? Who have it for semi rich, yes, sir? May I ask you now, who have it for semi rich? Who have it for semi rich? Alright, Dave G, C money. Alright. Yeah, man, broski, Brother, una come here so the marky thing, bro. Listen to what I say. We're moving forward from the market situation. I don't apologize to my people. Make them know that what go down is it. And at the end of the day, bro, I highly respect Marky. He might do him thing, dog, but at the end of the day, bro, me's not really a fish, dog. Me's just a educated youth, dog. We try to teach people the right thing and try to make people. Guys, come on there, guys. 10,000 tapping. I sincerely apologize to my audience them because I'm not a fish. And guys, come on there, guys. Stop up my screen. Me see people, brother. Me see dogs cut me off because they hear say me beg Marky money. The dog them don't know through the story be, but man cut me off. Man cut me off and they never was my friend. It's a tough time, dog. It's a hard time and tough time. Show you how friend be. Hard time and tough time show you who is friend. You hear me I tell you no? Yeah. And me see man cut me off. Me see man cut me off because me got beg man money, bro. And me begging a man money, what have to do with you? Me begging a money, me I beg money for better of myself. So what have to do with you? Me can't come to you where say you straight and beg you $1 for go buy a car. Me can't come to you. So if me have to beg my way out of life, like ask somebody for something. Brother, you live apart from my life now, man, but not too late to learn a trade. Me have my trade in my blood cleat head. Me can do electrical work good. Me can do electrical work good. I true that country I name England. A country I name England, me not too like that country differently, no. No. I'm not really a fan of England country, is it? So I'm not really a fan of the English country. Yeah. 10,000 tap in the guys. I am not really a fan of England. Yeah. No joke. I can't manage England country. It's too cold and frig up. Guys, 10,000 tapping. Come on there, guys. Yeah. Bro. If a boy want to see me and cut me off because of what me do, bro. Do your thing. Do your thing. You don't need to know why I'm back home and chef whatsoever your name is. Xavier, you can't help me, no dog. Because I come to you and beg your bills, you can't help me, no bro. You never shoot for me not one day, no Xavier. Is what I say? I have a level 16 badge, you never ever help me catch his speed. So if more and beg fish money, dog, I better me I try better off my life, youth. No, we say you know straight can't help nobody, youth. None of uno is on the street can't help me, dog. Me can't hold out, youth. Me cannot hold out, bro. May I show you something, Xavier? You say you're straight, dog, and you can't help me, bro. Me do what me have to do for survive, bro. It's a survival world. Yeah, dog. So if a boy want have me up or a boy want hate me, it's up to him, dog. Cause me can't go to none of them and beg on $1, bro. This is what me say. Me is a youth like this, dog. Me can't poor. Me cannot be poor. Me have to live certain lifestyle, bro. And have certain high expectation in a life. Where me can't sit down and be poor. Me have to be rich, dog. Me can't poor. Me have high expectation out of life. So I cannot sit down and be poor like uno and stuck up. No, bro. Me have a high expectation out of life. Meaning, more money now. More rich now. More have things now. More things that happen to me for now. So you see you look at Xavier with no look at 16 badger and no look at broke self, bro. Me no want advice someone because they can't help me, dog. Me need advice on people who have level 30 badge, 34 badge, 35 badge, and 40 badge. Who no advice to give me. There's no advice you can give me and have look at 16 badge. That mean you no broke. A people with money more advice some. People with money I need advice from. Not some look poor ass people. Guys, tap up my screen. 10,000 tapping. Come on there, guys. Beg on some tapping. So uno look a poor blood clot boy with no advice. Cause suck on mama with that and lift up. Uno look a dirty advice or no poor like that. No poor boy can give me advice or no poor girl. Yeah. Cause my bossy. My bossy a fuck. Yeah. Alright. This alright. Where you say now? So you send me match. Why your problem now, Lord? Always a send me match for. Why your problem? Every time you reason with my people and you send me match. What?
Listen, your people don't care about you, so.
In what way my people them not care about me? Me and them they are all of vibes. You not have no people, you know. Let me tell you something, people. Me no want a boy or no girl feel like say me there, so, and
Dev,
you
you don't
can
have
style me.
everyone watching Dev right now. You guys don't actually rate him. You're just there. I don't know what for.
I'm a
You
respectable
guys don't
man.
actually. Dev, they don't rate you. They're just there to laugh at you and cuss you out in the comments.
No, my people them naturally love me. Me got loved over here now.
Even me playing with you is embarrassing sometimes. I can't lie.
She get all heap of love and joy from the Yankee.
A grown man.
No.
Andrew, hi.
Nope.
That you have to skin out your back part for attention. That's embarrassing.
I don't care. I am going to listen to what I'm going to do. I am going to do a more outrageous thing than that.
What do you mean more outrageous things?
No, you don't know what I mean.
That, you know.
Listen to me. Me I go do more outrageous thing than that and stay relevant. So do not come to me and tell me what to do. This is the internet. I don't take the internet serious. So if I want to skin out...
Listen, Dev, there's screen recordings of you going around everywhere.
Yeah.
And that's always going to be on the internet forever.
Can you smile? Smiling. We smile when we're happy.
Yeah, I need a real man. Dev is not a real man. He's an embarrassment. I need a real man.
This is
A grown man.
we frown when
Listen to me. Listen to what I say.
I'm happy again.
So, what wrong with if a man want to do him thing and stay relevant. Because if you do the right thing, then people are not saying no.
I know, but why do you pay so much attention to social media?
This time, let's pretend we
Because
Guys, shoot
social
on the
media,
gloves.
me like social media. Guys, most snipe this there, guys. Come on there, guys.
Donuts
Come
on
on
the
there,
gloves.
guys.
Okay, thank you.
Guys, come on there, come on there. Come up there, guys. Come on there, guys. Guys, we can't go 10,000 tapping all now. Guys, we can't get it tapping them all now, no, guys.
Thank you.
let's say go and see what happens.
Fully dark. Big up.
Let's go. Whoa.
I think you should tell your people to come over my side because it's kind of pointless. Them
No, don't ramp with my pee. You're bad man, you're so bad man.
How am I
Why
bad?
my people am I go come over your side when my people am not like you? Then can't stomach you.
One step.
How am I bad mind?
Guys, send in 2 rows, I'm gonna catch you double. Send in 2 rows there.
Yeah, someone said they got the video.
Yeah, mute that comment there. Me know
I'm not muting it, guys. Follow the
Yeah,
page.
mute the.
Video
Listen when I say no,
50,000, man.
me gone. Cause if you not mute it, me gone. Me know who already.
Huh?
Mute the comment.
Round and round the garden.
Guys, come on there. 10,000 tapping. Come on there,
Everyone wants
guys.
to see it in my comment section.
You listen to what me I say. Mute the comment. Mute it.
Why should I mute it?
You see, that them thing that me I try tell you with you now. If me I tell you if you mute a comment, mute it.
Listen, Dev, I don't care about you. You skinned out on live in front of bare people. So
Brother,
you're different.
are you listening to me, yes or no?
Let me mute this person. Dev, you came on live in front of thousands of people and skinned out, and
It
then now
doesn't matter what me want to do.
watch your
My life, so what? Who have a problem with it? Who have a problem with it? Who have a problem with what me do?
Oh, someone said there's a new video of you that come out.
Guys, send 2 rows and I'll catch you double. Send 2
Guys,
rows
let's
there,
catch
guys.
this. Okay, we got it.
Alright, see double ya. Guys, we try for win the match here, guys. Come up there, guys. London, Shannon, tell everybody big up. I'm a win the match here, guys. Focus.
Guys, he's not winning nothing. Come on, guys.
Focus there, guys. Everybody they're gonna tap them fast and quick and fast, guys.
Exactly. He sacrificed his dignity for real.
5 different persons. 5 different
I will
persons
never
in a row.
understand.
5 different persons in a row.
Fully dark Chelsea. Thank
Stanley,
you,
big
hon.
up. 2 more rows. 2
More
more
guys.
rows. 2 more rows. 2 more single
Mr. K,
person.
thank you, hon.
2 single person. 2 single person. Any 2 single person were there. Come on there, guys.
King Yogi,
Come
thank
on,
you. I'm
guys.
breaking. Thank you, hon. Daniel, I'm good, hon.
Chef bless, mighty God. Everybody big up. Guys, Moko use the double there. Please and thanks. Use up the double, guys.
Finish him.
Use up the double. Use up the double. Guys, Mo use up the double.
Mr. K,
Use it.
thank
Don't make
you.
them win, guys.
Unbreakable,
Come on,
thank
catch them
you.
up back. Catch them up back.
Terry John,
Shami Chantel, big up. Everybody use it up.
King
Guys,
Yogi,
don't
Mr.
make them.
K, thank you,
Jesus
guys.
Christ. Come on, guys.
Hells, I know, hon. Thank you, Unbreakable.
No.
Come up there, guys. Let me tell you something.
Dev, come off the app, please.
No.
Come off.
Anybody who have a problem with what I want to do? A low life people, them a people who don't have nothing. Let me tell you something about life. People where a low life want to program people. Oh, you not have no money and you're poor and you're broke and you want to program me. No, how to behave.
Dev, you don't
Brother.
have money yourself. So how you chatting about other people?
No, I tell them say they can't program me, bro. So if you come here, so you feel like so you can come program man, dog, they lift up. Me not sit down and take no program from you, bro.
Look, now he's getting pissed off now that I'm beating him.
Guys, help me out now, guys. Guys, somebody over here can't help me out. Somebody over there can't help me out. Me I beg somebody a strength there, guys. One strength. one strength somebody. We must find a shooter. Low life people have a problem with what me I do. People who can't help me. People who do not want to see me rise have a problem with me. Yeah. Low life scumbag people. I can see how you feel and how. Listen to me I say. I do my thing and I do my thing, and at the end of the day, who wanna rate me are
Why don't
people
you
who
beg
have no
Morky
money.
for money? Guys, we got the gloves again.
Paris, come on from my life, you look oh. Me
Mr.
no want you
K,
Paris.
thank
Stop
you.
look me no man. Stop there me and look me no Paris. Low me alone no Paris. Me no want you lady.
Unbreakable,
You's
thank
not me type. You know no money, you broke and hungry like dog. Me no want you, you's not me
Hey, thank
type.
you.
My time, no get shame.
Dev,
You's
someone
not
said
me
they
type,
have.
girl.
Dev, someone said they got £300 for you to skin out for them.
Them a give me money now.
Yeah,
Tell them to come over my life, come send me money.
it's a man.
Green.
Move like you're an idiot, man. My
Mr.
team,
K,
thank you.
thank you.
My team,
Unbreakable
push up
side,
some
thank
score
you.
there. Come
Everyone,
on, them
thank
my
you.
team. Push up some score, them my team. Yeah. Charlene Brooks. Charlene Brooks, you can't beg a strength in this, Charlene Brooks. Hey, Charlene Brooks, you can't beg a strength there, please.
Dev, how you begging? They don't rate you. Tomorrow, I do. Are you gonna find me one tomorrow?
Charlene Brooks a four. She there in a Charlene Brooks. We can't broke this. We cannot broke that game in my team. Nobody can help me broke this. London, big up my team. Everybody, come on the power tap, my team. Power tap. Power tap them my team. Power everybody, come on there. She cannot the 4 game my team. Everybody help out and tap and send some roses them my team. I don't need recommendation from some of